Welcome to Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve. Good afternoon, everyone. I am coming to you this afternoon from the town of Grayslake, Illinois. I'm currently at Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve. I'm right here on the map right now for Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve. My plan is to explore some of the trails I have not been on yet. So I'm going to take the loop here, hop on this trail here and go off this way. And then I'm going to go to where it ends. I'm going to turn around, continue back this way and go all the way up here to where it ends, which is off map, and then come back down, do this side here, come right back down and right back here. So the ride is about 28 miles, thereabouts. It's currently 45 degrees and windy. It's 12 to 15 mile per hour winds currently. So I'm in for a chilly ride, but I'm all bundled up. I wanted to take this opportunity before it gets down into the 20s to ride some trails that I have not ridden yet. So I'm always looking forward to that. So when you start here at Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve, you have a really big parking lot here. You also have restrooms, garbage cans, picnic tables, that kind of stuff. They do have their own loop here that you can ride. I have a ride that starts in Lakewood Forest Preserve in Wauconda, Illinois, that you could take all the way to the Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve in Grayslake, and then do the loop here and then just head back down. If you're interested in checking out what that ride looks like, go ahead and click that info card above. Okay, so before I take off, I just wanted to show you guys what this ride looks like. So again, we're the blue dot over here. We're just going to make our way over here, come right past here, work our way up, do the loop up here, work our way down, come back this side of the Rollins Savanna loop and back to the car. So while riding here, I noticed that there was a trail back there, and it looks like it ends right at this intersection right here. The sign next to me says that this is called the Discovery Trail. It's obviously a super short trail, so I'm just going to go ahead and try it, backtrack a little, come down here and turn around and come right back up, and then I'll continue on with the rest of the trail. Okay, that Discovery Trail was pretty cool. You should note that it does have a separate open-close sign here. I imagine that's due to possible flooding issues. But it says the trail at Creek is open. It said that on both sides. So just be aware it could be closed when you're out here. But now I'm just going to continue on with the rest of this ride. Okay, so we are basically in the northwestern portion of Rollins Savanna, that loop that they have, the 3.5 mile loop. We just came back from this way. As you saw, there are restrooms here. And there's trail parking. They have some picnic tables and stuff. So I've never actually been to this parking lot before. We're going to follow the purple to the west off the map here and take it basically to where it ends. Okay, so we're just about 3 miles into the ride. At this point, the trail is paved, and the signs are referring to it as the Millennium Trail. So this is a portion of the Millennium Trail that I have not yet ridden. So again, it's always exciting to check out new trails. Looks like there's a golf course right here. The trail goes right past Grayslake High School. As always, when given the opportunity, let's take a moment to recognize Old Glory, waving in the breeze, as she should. POWMIA, not forgotten, never forget. Okay, so this is where this stretch of trail ends, right here at Sunset Avenue. I believe it's Round Lake Beach. Comes out, looks like, into a side street here, right at, looks like right by Beachview Drive. There's a water tower out there. Not exactly sure what the rest of this is. A bunch of school buses going down the road right now. So at this point, I get to turn around, backtrack all the way to Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve, and then once I get there, I'm going to start making my way north. Right through this area here, right when you're right by Rollins Road, there's all these exercise setups here. This one's the parallel bars. They have, I don't know, it seems 8 or 10 of these, something like that. Okay, so I'm back at Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve in Grayslake, and this is where we just came from. There's parking over here, and the restroom is over this way. When we started the ride, we came from this way and then shot down here. So now we're gonna head east this way here. There's a sign that says the trail at Creek is open, and we're gonna follow that. So we started at the green dot here. We're currently the blue dot. We came up here, went all the way to the end of the trail in Round Lake Beach. We've headed back. So now we have this portion. We're gonna go right over the top of Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve and then come up here and follow this trail all the way up to a loop and make our way down. Okay, so another map update here. We're over here now. So it's at this point where we're gonna make a left here and start heading north. And then when we come back, we're gonna come right back and go this way, back to the car, right through the eastern edge of the trails at Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve that we have not ridden yet. On this section here, we're going to go up on the left side and then come down on the right side over here. The signage over this way is still referring to this as the Millennium Trail. It also says 1 mile loop trail. Okay, so I'm about 15 point something miles in, and we've made it to McDonald Woods Forest Preserve. On this big map here, we're right here. That's where we entered. We're going to follow this all the way up around to about up here, and then make our way back down on this side, and then it's complete backtrack from that point. As the sun goes down, the temperature is dropping. It's about 43 degrees right now and dropping. So as soon as I make it through this forest preserve and on my way down, I'm imagining I'm going to lose at least 5 more degrees. Okay, so we've made it to the northernmost part of this ride. We're right at the parking lot area to McDonald Woods. So they have a really big parking lot here. They have some picnic tables over here. They have restrooms. And then we're just going to head back down this way. Okay, so we're right up here, McDonald Woods, right at Grayslake Road. It looks like the trail continues up a little. And then these areas with dots here are future planned sections of the trail. So it looks like Lake County's intention is to connect McDonald Woods all the way up through Dutch Gap into Pine Dunes, which would then basically connect you to the Des Plaines River Trail, which is this big red one here. If you're interested in what Pine Dunes looks like, go ahead and click that info card above. right, so exploring a part of Lake County I haven't yet explored. Looks like there's a big lake over this way. So, and the sign over here says it's the 4th Lake Overlook. So I'm gonna head this way just to see what this overlook looks like. All right, so here is the 4th Lake Overlook. Okay, so we've checked out the 4th lake here. Now we're just heading on our way back. The temperature is currently 39 degrees and falling. Okay, well, I've made it back to the parking area on the southern end of Rollins Savanna Forest Preserve. Looks like I did about 25.8 miles according to the bike here, so it was a little less than I had originally thought. Temperature is about 38 degrees and falling. But that wraps it up here. So if you guys like this content, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And otherwise, I'll catch you on the next ride.